Hey folks, this is Mark Kelly once again, Inbound Revenue, in another one of our local competition for Google Ads series video. We're going to take a look at the local competition for junk removal. This is supposed to say, Atlanta junk removal. It does say it. So we're looking at Atlanta, we're looking at junk removal. Let's take a look at how competitive it is. We always run these for one 24-hour period. Actually, it's not all that competitive. You can see there's 5 up to 8 6 or 8 advertisers at one time, but seeing way more competitive markets than that. Let's take a look at it overall. Yeah, there's 800 got junk so the big boy is running them a lot of ads there. Then we've got maybe some local callers. That's another national, I think. Let's take a look at the keywords that we used. Junk removal near me. Junk callers near me, junk calling, junk pickup near me, junk pickup 1-800, I got junk. So definitely running some ads for that. Let's see who our top advertisers were. Again, we know 1-800 got junk. I'm just going to skip them because they're national. Let's take a look at College Hunks Hauling Junk, see if that's a local one or a national one. Same day junk hauling. Take a look at their ads real quick, see if there's nothing special going on. Same day service, same day junk calling. I wonder if that's marketing or if that's true. Pickups, no offers, nothing too compelling, but not bad. Let's take a look at their landing page. Atlanta junk removal, it's localized. I think this is a national or regional company, but at least it's localized. Decent landing page. It's actually a website, but or it's part of a website, but decent. Has all the things you'd expect, who they serve, what they do, place to get more information. Not bad. Let's look at the number 3 advertiser in this region. That would be Always Reliable Junk Removal. Let's take a look at their ads. Junk removal in your area. Junk removal services. Call the nicest junk people. Yeah, nothing spectacular. They do have their hours and their heading, when they're open. So they've got some semi-interesting ads. No offers or anything. Let's take a look at their landing page. Looks like they go right to the home page. Little pop-up. Talks about what they do. Book now. Okay, interesting. So not terrible. So I would say my assessment is if you're in the junk removal business in Atlanta, just like a lot of the other niches that we looked in Atlanta, it's pretty wide open. If you have any questions at all about this video, about what we're doing, about Google Ads, drop comments below. I'm Mark with Inbound Revenue. That's us right there. And, we also offer full management for both white label for agencies and for direct clients. If you have any questions, reach out. Talk to you all again soon.